I think the first thing that should strike you when you see this code, which is a simple hello world example of a karate test, is this is not any of the programming languages that you may be used to. It's not Java, it's not JavaScript, Python, Ruby, and so on. It's this interesting mix of keywords, and I'm sure a lot of you already who have seen the slide or who are familiar with Cucumber know that the words in red given when then are the BDD keywords popularized by Cucumber. And I do want to make something very clear here, because it's a very common misconception when people come into karate for the first time. Karate is not a BDD framework at all. It does not claim or pretend to solve for behavior driven development and collaborating with your users before code has been written and so on. You should think of karate as more like a real scripting programming language, but the twist here is that karate is really simple, and karate has a few things specifically designed to make the business of API testing easy. For example, JSON is native to the syntax, which means you see you can express JSON, which is the large bulk of all API data. You can express JSON directly in your tests. It's lenient JSON. You don't need double quotes, which is great because you save a lot of keystrokes. You don't need quotes around the keys, for example. And this is exactly how JavaScript developers actually deal with JSON. And some of you would know that if you try to express JSON in Java, for example, you will have to do backslash, double quote, and escape all those quotes. You don't have that happening here, which is kind of a nice, elegant thing.